Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So real quick, this afternoon, pardon the shop dog who's snoozing, we're gonna have to try to remove these hydraulic shocks, whatever you want to call them, for the leveling system on the hearse.
Oh, it's turning it.
Hello, hello.
Hello!
Is it spinning or is it loosening?
It's spinning. Is it the right size? Yeah, it is the correct size, or it's close to it, but it's, see how it's spinning?
Spinning. It's not actually loosening. That's what we were worried about, because these things are ginormous. That right there, that big cylinder. The white one is your regular shock, the other cylinder is for the leveling. Don't kill yourself.
Oh.
Ooh, but you're getting it though.
Is that the right size? Yeah, it is the right size. Yeah, it pushed out like air or something like that. It just poof.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. It's out. Wow. Cool. Well, we're definitely saving it, obviously. Very rare part to have.
Back then, they actually built things to last. The only reason why these cars were sold was just because somebody wanted something new and fancy.
Let's see this. We can take this off too.
What?
This big old bracket.
Okay.
I mean, it does mount the shock, but I guess we can leave it on. Not hurting anything with this big old ugly piece that doesn't need to be there. But,
Something else to drag on the ground.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Lower it.
It has a hard spot every now and then, so.
Yeah, rust.
Hearse, it is.
One hearse.
You're a regular fun guy. Just take it off, man.
Well, it doesn't.
Yeah, come on,
It pushed that rubber
just
through
take it
the
off.
hole.
What's the matter?
It pushed that rubber through the hole. Oh, come on.
Why is this one being so much more difficult than the other one? There we go.
It pushed the rubber through the hole and it basically sealed itself.
We're also gonna drop the gas tank real quick while we're under here.
We are? I can't use that because it's.
Okay, what? Are we having fun?
Yeah, this is so much fun.
Because I'll be dead after this. Hi, shop dog. Sit. Sit. Good boy.
I think we're gonna be buying a new gas tank.
Yeah,
Yeah. New gas tank coming up.
maybe not.
What do you mean maybe not? Are you crazy?
That's probably just all the inside sludge and stuff.
Yeah, and how do you ever
That's been hard.
and how do you ever intend to get that out?
I don't know.
Nice. Wow, that's really bad. That's really, really bad. So we just
problem right there.
we just got our question answered for us that we are definitely getting a new gas tank because we got holes opening up like crazy in this thing. So I know, right? Gotta save it.
Put it in the file.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that thing.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay.
The tank's probably half his life now.
New gas tank coming up.